All right, in this video, I'm going to show you a super fast way to make a movie in your Photos app. I'm going to click on it, we're going to open it up, and we're just going to kind of slide up until you see this, memories, right? And then if you click on it, it's going to give you all your different memories. And I'm just going to pick this one. It's called Golden Hour. And this is how easy this is. All I do is click on it. It adds music, and it just goes through all my photos, and it's finding pictures of the sunset. That was in Europe, I think in Italy. That, I believe, is also in Italy. That's down at Lake Ida, another Lake Ida shot. And so it chooses not only photos, but it does grab, it grabs the videos, like that's a video right there. And then if you want to send it to somebody, you can go up here, click on this, and then you can, hang on, click on that, and then you could share the movie if you want with anybody. Isn't that cool? And that's basically how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. That's the Brubnik. Peace out.